Hey, what's up, PundiX holder? This is the latest update of PundiX latest price prediction and latest technical analysis to what's going on this time in the PundiX. You can see PundiX latest update is on the screen. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my brother, you can see your PundiX last 1 hour, last 7 day, last 1 day, and last 7 days. You can see the chain occur is on the screen, and this change occur is completely and the negative, so it's mean to the PundiX completely fails down, and the change occur will be negative because my brother, you can see here they fails down. So just in only my brother, you can see here the price is going to be very badly down. 1.66 USD dollar is the price, and you know the main reason is that today fails down because my brother, especially in the last month or last 1 month, they completely fails down. So I think the main reason is that if we check out the last 1 month chart, then we understand my brother as to why they fails down and can there is a chance to upcoming time they moving upward or not. So as you can see, my brother, in the last 1 month, they completely fails down. There is no big jump, but they completely fails down. And the main reason is that especially the short-term investor, the long-term investor, they are starting selling because the price is going very badly down. So I think this will be very good, my friends, to you sell it. And this time, absolutely, PundiX is going to be very bad. So if you want to profit, absolutely they cannot give you a profit, and they are completely and the losing, my brother. You can see here minus 42.44% fails down. PundiX is going to be garbage, my friends. It's going to be very bad now. So if I tell you to sell it, don't hold it, then absolutely I am right, because you can see here in a 1 month they completely fell, and this time you can see here if we check out the last 1 day chart, all cryptocurrencies moving upward. You can see, but this is one of the unique PundiX to the fails down just in only in the last 1 hour. So I think this is going to be is very bad, and you need to sell it, because and you need to buy one altcoin more, my brother. Absolutely a lot of coins available in the crypto market who is available and very cheap price. Hold it and wait for a good time. I hope a lot of coins, especially Dogecoin, Sapmoon, and Kesho. Yes, Kesho also, and I think Shibano is also moving upward. So Shiba is one of the good coin, one of my favorite also, my brother. So go now, invest now, and please read it personally. This is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. I hope in upcoming times they all coins are moving upward. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.